The Utting Prize is given out in alternating years between to a leading scientist or a community organization that has made a significant contribution to the understanding or action on mental illness. It's always very inspiring because it tells you what is coming, what is new in mental health and mental health treatment. And so this year it's being awarded to a great scientist, a leading figure in mental health in Canada, and that's Dr Benecio Frey.
It's obviously a big honor for me to represent, research across Canada, knowing the landscape of amazing research that is done here in this country.
I think each year you just have to try and find somebody that's devoted their life to the cause, and we certainly have that today. And working on creating awareness has always been our objective, so whatever we can do to help people be aware of these issues is the most important thing to us.
The Utting Foundation is doing something that is really important, because if we just wait for funding through the traditional sources, many patient advocacy events like this, award ceremonies, studentships, and support of the careers of many people coming to work in the area of mental health wouldn't have been possible.
Yeah, it's exciting because, I was fortunate to receive some funding from them which really helped a fellowship that kind of put me on the right foot for my own career, and it was really at a pivotal moment. So I'm very grateful to the family and the foundation for that.
Well, it's an honor. It's definitely an honor, especially someone who's actually gone through it. So to actually be asked is really an honor. And so I think the impact is going to open up the conversation and allow people to, again, ask for help and be able to live a fulfilling life and not feel stigmatized and isolated.
Just the fact that we're here talking about depression and mental health in general, it's a big problem in our local communities and worldwide.
Mental health is just such an important crisis right now in our society. So it's a good opportunity to kind of step back and reflect on what I really think matters and how our research can be helping people. So I appreciate the opportunity just to be part of the dialogue and kind of how it helps my own thinking about what's most important.
It's very good to be back here in Montreal and partnering with the Jewish General Hospital. It's been an amazing 20 years, and we're looking forward to the next 20 years.